Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix messenger chat head or bubble not showing on your Android phone. So let's begin our video. First of all, open your messenger application. Right now click on the top left corner 3-line menu bar icon. Then click on the top right corner settings gear. Right now scroll down, and after scroll down you can find the option bubbles. Just tap it and select conversation that's you can bubble. You can select it, so otherwise you can select all conversation can bubble, and then let's back. If you just let's back right now, if you just open any option, like I just open this one, click on this 3 dot, again 3 dot, so tap as bubble, show as bubble, selected it. Right now here you can see bubble is showing right now. Here you can see. So in this way you can fix or you can solve bubble or chat head not showing a problem.